Okay, here we go. Next, more plot. Okay. Oh, this is several years later. The new girlfriend is encouraging me to get rid of the microcomputers I've accumulated over the years. Not a bad idea. Most of them are just taking up space and aren't doing me or her any good. Going to wait on this one though. Never found out what its whole deal was, and if it turns out to be something I wasn't supposed to have, I think I could get in trouble. Cleared a little space on a workbench and hooked it up. Still works. Beautiful. Yes, it is a beauty, this one. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. We only get a few ins and outs. Okay, so sequences are 0 terminated. Read values from in.a and in.b. Write the lesser value to out. Write the greater value to out. Write 0 to end the sequence. Okay, so I want... Here's I think what you're talking about, Finwo, is that we can start... We can check those. I can basically subtract A from B and then see if it's less than 0. If it's less than 0, I guess if they're the same, then it doesn't matter. I just choose one of them and then we go with the other one. And then we do 0. Okay, so if we do... I feel like I want to move both these down, just straight down, and then maybe the core logic happens here. So right, I want to check, or I could just do core logic here and just move this straight over here. Right, the lesser value to out, right, the greater value to out. Okay. Oh, which means I need to keep them. I can't lose it. So we want to subtract A from B. So let's say I do like move up to ACC, want to save. So we have a backup. Let's just say I like move up ACC, move ACC left. So now I have access to this one and that one and my previous one. If I sub right, if you are greater than 0, that means B is higher. B is greater. Okay, so write the greater value to out. A is greater? Let's see, if this is negative, so if this is, yeah, okay, 46 here, and then 71. Let's pretend this is just what, 40 and 70, so the difference would be 30. It'd be positive. Oh, it's greater than 0. That means B is bigger. If it's less than 0, A is bigger. No. You're right. Wait. Less than 0, B is bigger. Yes. Okay. Math. Okay, so, and then I just write... Oh, so I need to choose which one to pull at which time. Interesting. And then we write a 0 to end the sequence. I wonder if I actually just want to do the logic here. And then it can pull one from the other. Okay, so if I do that, we subwrite if jump greater than 0. Okay, so greater than 0. So 46 minus 71. That'd be negative, which means so if it's greater than 0, A is right. So A. Otherwise, jump to B. So if you are okay, so if A, so A is greater, we're going to want to write A out first. So we have to restore. Swap. Move ACC down. Move right down. Jump. Start. Ooh, I don't think that's good. I don't think I have enough. With B, okay, so I probably want to swap once. So JGZA. Oh, but I need I do need a swap. Okay. Just add the operation in the same line as the label. That works fine. Oh, wait, I can? Oh, that's cool. That will give me more time, more space. Like that. Okay, so for you, I want to swap, move right down, move ACC down. No need to jump start, because then we're back up at the top again. Oh, and then we move okay, so we do that, then you down here. It's gonna move up, right, move left, down. Okay, so if I want to move up, down, move up, down, move 0, down. So that way a null terminate after 2. So if I do that, it's unhappy. Oh, with this construction, you'll save node if you put the logic in beta node. Yeah, that's true. Because then I could just go straight down. I don't have, yeah, that's very true. However, this is unhappy. So we start here. So we have 46 and 71 coming in. So 46, 71, I save. So we have a backup of that. I want to subwrite. So we have negative 25. If you're greater than 0, we want A. But you're not, so we're going to jump to B. Okay, so we're going to swap. So we get 46 here. we're going to move oh wait, the first one was 71. I lost it. That's the problem. I'm already at 90 here and I needed this one to be the same. So we need to say, okay, so I move up to ACC. I move ACC to left. You sub the right. We lost the ACC. I then want to move right down, so I need to move ACC left again. It's not a move. It stays in ACC. Okay, so I think that might be better. Nope. That's okay, so we still have 71 here, which is right. $71. Okay, we go into swap. Move right down, so 71 goes down. Oh, wait. My out is supposed to be 46 out. My logic is backwards. Great. Okay, so hold on. My logic is backwards, which means that this is supposed to be B, this is supposed to be A? Yeah, okay. That's what my problem is.